everybody, I'm Cindy A. Lewis and welcome to my channel here on YouTube. I am very excited to welcome you to this video. I am going to be sharing a small haul from Amour Fabriques. Selena has a shop on Etsy. She has an Instagram and a YouTube channel, and she does all kinds of fabrics and fun things that you can use in your junk journal, which is why I want to share with you what I got. She did have a daily deal, which was amazing, so I couldn't resist it, and I'll link her Etsy shop and YouTube channel below in case you want to go and visit. Also, this is Junk Journal Month on my channel, and not that I only do junk journals when I have Junk Journal Month, but it is our focus this month on the videos that I'm sharing. I'm making 3 journals, you know, little techniques to share here and there, plus I'm doing a giveaway. And if you're interested, go to the May 1st video. I'm doing a big subscriber giveaway. You do have to subscribe. It's linked below in the description, so don't miss that. And then also, it's a year on Patreon that I'm celebrating an anniversary. And for every new member that joins Patreon, I'm adding more to the Junk Journal Kit giveaway. Then I'm also doing one on Patreon, besides the other fun things I'm doing on Patreon with my community there. So it kind of all ties together, but yet it's still a separate thing. Anyway, let's jump into this daily deal and the goodies that I got from Amour Fabriques and see what's in there. All right, well, I wanted to get the box open. Oh my gosh, look how big this is. Okay, so this was the daily deal, and it was on the video, and I thought really and truly it was about half this size from what I could tell. But this is amazing. So this is supposed to be filled with all kinds of goodies, so I can't wait to share with you. She said this is some wallpaper she had, and I want to make some of these. This is really, really cool. Can't wait to share that with you. Then I also ordered some, what is this one? This must be a free gift she gave me. I don't know. Because I ordered this. This is scraps, and this I thought would go really cool with junk journals because of the colors. It's called ivory and white, and this is sari and boho, and so we'll look at that. Then I also ordered some of these time cards. These are really cool, and I didn't have any, so I thought, well, that would be fun. It was only like $6 for that. So this must be an extra. An extra. Did she say she sent an extra? Must be. So we're going to go through all of these things in this video. How fun is that? Now, we don't need to go through this. This is 50 little time cards, and that was $6. All right. First, let's go ahead and look at what is in this daily deal. So I believe she sewed this on from either a handkerchief or some kind of napkin. It's really beautiful little tulip, hand sewed. It looks like not embroidery. Well, maybe embroidery, right? Embroidery, is that right? Needle craft. Anyway, so she sewed that on. She put it on the button, right? And then inside is all of this. So she made this huge envelope, which we're actually going to do a big envelope Saturday in Crafting Therapy and create a folio. Anyway, so let's look at this. Well, look at this. Look, she added to the music and oh, she did on both ends. Look at that. How fun you are, Selena. And then some doilies. I haven't seen any quite like that. Usually the ones I find have the middle like that. And so then a little one. And then we've got all kinds of, an Uno scorecard. Okay, I've not seen that. 1978. Wow. And then got something in Spanish. I don't know what, maybe it's bridge. A bridge scorecard in Spanish. And then some papers, some book papers. How fun is this? Look at that. That's amazing. Pretty postcard. It's a big postcard. Ooh, this is, it says 1901. Is that right? Let's see what it says back here. March 22nd. Yeah, 1901 envelope. Wow. Then some more music. I love music. Some birds. Little daily. Beautiful. I love this. Some gift wrap. Ooh, look at all of these fun pages to put in junk journals. And I just have the place. I have 3 of them for going right now. Look how pretty this paper is. Not seen that before. All right, some more planner pages. Napkins. How pretty are these? An envelope. Look at that. Gorgeous. Another envelope. Envelope. Pretty. It's a ledger, some kind of ledger or attendance sheet. And then some paper. Wow, this is really fun. Okay, this is a notary page. You can just put everything in your junk journal. I could use all of this in my junk journal. Oh, look at this one. This ledger is older for sure. And then this one. And some flower pictures. A big old envelope. Look at that. Some beautiful pieces, you guys. That is wallpaper. Gorgeous, gorgeous. How fun. This is so full of fun stuff right here. Just saying. Ooh, love it. Okay. So this was all, maybe this is actually supposed to be part of that. I don't know. But let's look and see what's in here, because it's more goodies for sure to go in junk journals. So, got some bird pictures. I wonder if any of these birds are like for the ocean. Got some paper clips, some more envelopes. I'm just going to use some of this stuff in my journal. Guest checks, little receipts, a little more contract score pad. Then a bridge party. What's this one? Just paper. Here is a gray cheeked thrush and a robin. Cool is that? Beautiful postcard. Lovely little envelope. Another one that's got stuff on the inside. Some playing cards. How fun. Oh, look at that. Love's Offering. Some stamps. Wow. Australia. And then this one, I don't know what that says. And then some little fabric squares. How fun. Another playing card. Another note card. Oh, look at that. It's really a bridge scorecard. Wow, I've never seen anything. And then some sunflowers. A seed packet. Oh, this is this year. I'll have to plant those. And then look at this. How pretty is that? Boho. Boho. And then she included some ribbon too with little birds on them. How cute. All right. So this is a really fun haul. I'm amazed at how much is in here and blessed at the same time. Okay, let's see if I can get this in here without sticking to everything. You know how these sticky folders are? They just stick to everything. This little sticky stuff. All right, I just want to keep it all together. Oh, I'm excited. All right, then the other thing that I purchased is this little bag here. And this is white and ivory beaded sari scraps and sari and boho scraps. It's a variety. So we're just going to take everything out. It looks like she just stuffed it in there, so much is in here. Look at all of that. So beautiful fabrics to work with. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I've bought things from her before. You may remember from my previous videos. That's pretty. But these I thought would be really fun with junk journals and just to add a little something to them. These are so pretty. And then look at this piece. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? Oh. And this one is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. The leaves, look at the leaves. Okay. And then this one, really happy colors with these flowers. And this one. Oh, I love it all. There's some more leaves with these have little beads on them. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. These are going to be fun. Now this almost looks like a starfish, don't you think? Most. It's not blue, but oh, these are beautiful. Look at all that. Look at these 3 leaves. Can you see that? Oh, nice. And then this pretty one. Really dainty. So these are really pretty. So is this. I can't wait to use some of this. That's beautiful, right? So I can't wait. Thank you so much to Selena for such beautiful pieces for my, I mean, I purchased it, of course, but so great. So Amour Fabriques, you don't want to miss it. She is on Etsy, so I will definitely link that below for you if you want to go and check it out. Now, she just does these every so often, so I can't guarantee what will be available in her shop. But anyway, so thanks so much for watching. Enjoyed opening this with you tonight.